The summary for the scene is on the left-hand side of your text. Paris has just asked Juliet's father for his hand in marriage. Remember that Paris is a good match for Juliet and her family because he's rich and a family member to the prince. It is now up to Lady Capulet and the nurse to convince Juliet to marry Paris. Now let's cut the scene up into smaller parts. Be sure to use the left-hand side to find definitions for words you don't know, especially Lammas-tide in line 16, Lammas Eve, wormwood, and Doug. Be sure to box in these words on the right-hand side and write the definition next to the word. To wean a baby in line 26 means to help the baby become accustomed to food other than breast milk. In the two sections I have marked here, the nurse is making a dirty joke. In order to understand the dirty joke, you must use the left-hand side to look up broke her brow. You must also understand that wit means intelligence. The question being asked about falling backwards will be the key to the dirty joke. In this section, Lady Capulet finally asks Juliet her question about marriage, and Juliet reveals her tone towards marriage. In the section I have bracketed, understand that the nurse is putting herself down and that the word teat means the same as the word Doug. The middle to bottom section of this page marks Lady Capulet and the nurse's attempt to convince Juliet to marry Paris. You will need the left-hand side of your book in order to understand the comparisons the ladies are making to Paris. As the ladies exit to go to the party, the nurse will work in two final dirty jokes. I have marked them here in purple.